Hi, this is Zhao and welcome to my Wheel. Being a new YouTuber, same as you are, you know how important it is to have a perfect thumbnail. You might also know how tricky and time consuming might be, but today I'm gonna teach you an easy way and convenient way of creating thumbnail through canva.com. As a small YouTuber, hindi naman po tayo sikat. So we will market our videos through output designs through thumbnail. Yung thumbnail po is one of the important factor in your videos dahil dyan po titingin yung mga viewers pag nag-i-scroll po sila sa YouTube page. Napakadali lang pong gawin. Come on, let's visit the website and let's see how Canva can offer for us. Alright, so just type www.canva.com. Ang dami pong pagpipilian, even for social media post and even for personal. So now we're gonna check YouTube thumbnail. So I just click on the upper right and search, and here it goes. Ang dami po. So no need to think about what kind of design because makikita nyo po dito kung anong design aangkop yung vlog nyo. Whether it's for food, music, travel, or technology. Just choose and select. Ayun, dara. Naku nakita ang pagkaon. So I will just click this one and it will direct you to the homepage where we can edit the design. So before that, we're gonna upload first our images from our laptop or computers. Just click upload on the left part and go to device, then you can see all your images and just click and it will appear that it will be uploaded in your media Canva. To change the default image, just click and drag to the right side. So nakikita nyo po, napalitan na po yung image into sushi. The image and text can be movable. Depende po sa inyo on how you manage the layout of the design. Background color also can be changeable. It's up to you kung anong kulay gusto nyo as long as it can attract viewers while browsing the YouTube page. Text must be short and precisely angkop po sa subject. Like this one, sushi easy recipe. The more maiksi is the better, so we can play along with the design and make it big, bold, and readable. You can also change the position of the elements design. Like these leaves, you can just put it on the right side. You can tilt it. It's up to you, whatever you want. Just click and drag to your desired location. You can also add a text. So just click on the left side. You can see text button. Just click and you can choose, like for example kini nako nakita murag bar, so jug jug jug, so I just click it and I will type my YouTube page Jowsville para may may watermark sa baba. So kompleto na po lahat, image, then the title, then andito po sa baba yung YouTube page ko. So complete na po. Let's get download it. Ayun po, may thumbnail na tayo. I hope it find it helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, smash the button and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.